2026, you still don't know how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. Anyways, this video is for you. To install your hair, you are going to apply your glue on the edges here. So this is cha-cha lace glue for wig installation. Then here, you can put for corner here. May for go inside there, okay? You will want to spread, not just put and leave and cha-cha install my hair, it can't be white. Why you not go white? You spread and no, you dey hurry. Where you dey hurry, they go. And meanwhile, come and install your hair. So you spread. If you want to carry your wig for like 4 days, 1 week, at least apply 3 times, like 3 coats or 4 times. But me, I will not carry this wig for long because I get another wig installation to do for Wombe. So I will just let this first coat remain. Madam, don't be in a hurry. Wait. Make it change color. Make it dey transparent. If not, it go dey white. That's why you will install hair to be white. This is the wig we are going to be installing. It's an HD lace from Angie's Hair. Wear your wig. Make sure say the back is well seated. You begin drag forward, okay? So we'll pass where we apply glue, put a bit. We'll pass it. Make sure say you get ratted comb. So you begin, you know, mash. Come and get my lace glue. Come and get, see, it don't hold this head down. We now know say we carry this wig past where we apply glue. So we just apply like this thing melted to my skin. So, okay. So you lift up and just apply so that the thing go enter well, yeah, yeah, and you apply here. Can't get this glue. You see they play. See, the thing don't green come out. Can you see that? So I'll take off the band. Woo. My heat protection, everything are available. So I'll begin to melt my lace. I'll melt. Show me the lace of this wig. I want to see it because I'm lost. So my hair is from Angie's Hair. Powder on the edges so that I go right to my skin. Normally, I'm supposed to straighten this hair, but I don't have that time. I don't have it. I'm in a hurry, so I got to go. So on my next video, you will see me straightening. Like I need to bob and so that the thing go dey gengela. So this is how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. Or bring your wig for installation. Bring your wig for revamping, styling. Visit our shop, Static Strat 163 Antwerp, Belgium. Come and do your full face makeup so that you can look gengela. This life now just one. Why will you be looking dirty? Why will you be looking unkept? Where this life now one? Okay? Everything I use in installing this hair are available for sales. Add me on the number on the screen. Place your order. I will ship everywhere. Okay? Wherever. Thank you for watching. Of course, I'm going to see you guys in my next video.